The Ganges River originates from the glaciers of the Himalayas. Glacial meltwater serves as the primary source of the Ganges. The Ganges River is a vital water source for the surrounding regions. The river holds significant cultural and spiritual importance. The Ganges' glacial origins are crucial to understanding its ecosystem. The Ganga River originates from melting glaciers in the Himalayas. The nascent river flows downstream, marking the beginning of its long journey. The source of the Ganga is considered a sacred and pure location. The river's origin represents the start of a vital water source for millions. Mountain rivers gain momentum as they flow downhill. The river's journey begins at a high-altitude source. As the river descends, it carves through the mountainous terrain. The river eventually flows from the mountains onto the plains. The river's journey illustrates the continuous cycle of water from source to sea. The river's width increases as it flows into the valley. The landscape changes as the river enters the valleys. Increased biodiversity is observed in the valley region. The river's ecosystem becomes more complex in the valley. Valleys provide diverse habitats that support a wide range of species. The river's interaction with the valley floor enhances ecological richness. Riverbanks serve as crucial habitats for various species of migratory birds. These riverbank ecosystems provide essential resources for birds during their migrations. The arrival of migratory bird flocks indicates the river's significance as a stopover location. Rivers offer vital resting and feeding grounds for birds undertaking long journeys. Protecting river habitats is essential for conserving migratory bird populations. Kingfishers are among the diverse bird species that depend on rivers for sustenance. Rivers provide essential habitats and food sources for numerous avian species. The health of a river directly impacts the survival and reproduction rates of its dependent bird populations. Kingfishers hunt by diving into the water to catch fish, demonstrating a specialized adaptation. Different bird species utilize various parts of the river ecosystem, minimizing competition and maximizing resource use. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect river ecosystems and maintain the biodiversity of bird species. Riverbanks provide essential feeding grounds for various bird species. Herons, storks, and egrets are commonly observed feeding along riverbanks. Rivers serve as vital havens for migratory bird populations. The river's ecosystem supports a rich biodiversity of avian life. Marsh crocodiles, also known as mugger crocodiles, are often found resting on riverbanks. These crocodiles play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. As apex predators, mugger crocodiles regulate populations of other species. Crocodiles help to prevent overgrazing by controlling herbivore numbers. Their presence contributes to a healthier and more diverse aquatic environment. Mugger crocodiles are thus considered guardians of their habitat. Crocodiles play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of river ecosystems. As apex predators, crocodiles control populations of fish and other aquatic animals. Crocodile activities, such as digging and nesting, create habitats for other species. Nutrient cycling is enhanced by crocodiles through the consumption and redistribution of biomass. The presence of crocodiles indicates a healthy and well-functioning river ecosystem. Gharials are characterized by their distinctive, long, thin snouts. These reptiles play a crucial role in maintaining the biodiversity of their river ecosystems. Gharials' presence indicates a healthy and balanced aquatic environment. Conservation efforts are essential to protect gharials and their natural habitats. Rivers host a diverse ecosystem of fish species, each adapted to specific habitats and roles. Fish shoals exhibit coordinated movement patterns, providing protection from predators and enhancing foraging efficiency. Different fish species occupy distinct ecological niches within the river ecosystem, minimizing competition for resources. Clear water is essential for the health and survival of fish populations, allowing for effective hunting and communication. The river's surface acts as a boundary, separating the aquatic world from the terrestrial environment above. The underwater world of rivers remains largely unexplored, holding countless secrets about aquatic life and ecological processes. Rivers serve as a vital source of food for communities. Fishing provides a primary means of livelihood for many. Traditional fishing methods rely on the river's natural resources. Sustainable practices are crucial to maintaining the river's long-term productivity. The health of the river ecosystem directly impacts the sustainability of fishing livelihoods. Rivers provide not only sustenance, but also cultural and economic value. Endangered river dolphins inhabit specific river ecosystems. River dolphins play a crucial role in their respective aquatic ecosystems. The presence of river dolphins indicates the overall health of the river environment. Conservation efforts are vital to protect endangered river dolphin populations. The playful surfacing of river dolphins highlights their unique adaptations to freshwater environments. The river serves as a vital water source for the villagers' daily needs. Earthen pots are used by the villagers to collect and transport water. Access to the river ensures a sustainable water supply for the community. The river's water is essential for drinking, cooking, and other household activities. River channels provide a crucial source of irrigation for agricultural fields. Irrigation systems enable farmers to cultivate crops in areas with limited rainfall. The availability of river water directly supports agricultural productivity and crop yields. Efficient water management is essential for sustainable agricultural practices. River irrigation contributes significantly to regional food security and economic stability. Maintaining the health of rivers is crucial for ensuring long-term agricultural sustainability. Rivers serve as recreational spaces for swimming and play. Rivers contribute to community life by providing areas for social interaction. The river's natural environment supports various recreational activities. Clean and accessible rivers enhance the quality of life for local communities. Rivers hold spiritual significance in various cultures and religions. Spiritual rituals often involve the use of rivers as sacred spaces for purification and connection to the divine. Diyas, or lamps, are floated on the river as offerings and symbols of hope and enlightenment. The act of floating diyawas on the river represents a symbolic release of burdens and a seeking of blessings. The riverbank serves as a sacred space for devotees to offer their morning prayers. The ringing of bells signifies the commencement of rituals and the invocation of divine blessings. The river holds immense cultural significance within Hindu traditions. The act of praying on the riverbank is a demonstration of faith and spiritual devotion. Rivers serve as central hubs for communities, supporting diverse activities and livelihoods. The river provides essential resources, such as water for irrigation, drinking, and transportation. Economic activities such as fishing, agriculture, and trade flourish along the river's edge. Rivers are integral to the social and cultural fabric of the communities that depend on them. Rivers serve as vital lifelines, supporting diverse ecosystems and human populations. Rivers provide essential resources such as fresh water for drinking, agriculture, and industry. Rivers facilitate transportation and trade, connecting inland regions to coastal areas and global markets. River ecosystems support a wide variety of plant and animal life, contributing to biodiversity. Rivers play a crucial role in regulating water cycles, preventing floods, and maintaining water quality. Sustainable management of rivers is essential for ensuring long-term ecological and economic benefits. Pollution poses a significant threat to the health and biodiversity of river ecosystems. Plastic bottles and various forms of waste contaminate the river, disrupting the natural ecological balance. The accumulation of pollutants in rivers can lead to habitat destruction and the decline of aquatic species. River pollution diminishes water quality, impacting both aquatic life and human populations that rely on the river for resources. Volunteer efforts focus on cleaning riverbanks to remove accumulated waste. River cleanup initiatives aim to restore the natural environment and protect aquatic ecosystems. Removing waste from riverbanks prevents pollutants from entering and contaminating water sources. Raising awareness about pollution encourages responsible waste disposal and reduces environmental impact. Community involvement is crucial for maintaining clean riverbanks and promoting environmental stewardship. Clean riverbanks support biodiversity and provide habitats for various plant and animal species. Rivers exhibit a continuous flow from higher elevations to lower basins. The river's flow is a perpetual cycle, constantly moving water towards the ocean. This continuous flow connects the river to a larger, interconnected ecosystem. The river's journey from mountain to ocean is a dynamic process shaped by gravity and terrain. The river's flow sustains diverse habitats and supports a wide range of species. The river's continuous flow is essential for maintaining ecological balance and supporting life. Rivers are ecosystems where diverse species coexist and interact. Birds, crocodiles, dolphins, and humans are integral components of the river's ecological network. The river's biodiversity is maintained through complex interspecies relationships. Human activities can significantly impact the health and balance of river ecosystems. Sustainable practices are essential for preserving the interconnectedness of life along the river. The harmonious coexistence of species underscores the importance of ecological conservation. Rivers can act as pathways for pollutants from industrial areas to spread into wider environments. Industrial discharge represents a significant source of river pollution, potentially affecting water quality and aquatic ecosystems. The accumulation of pollutants in rivers can lead to long-term ecological damage and health risks. Monitoring and treatment are crucial steps in mitigating river pollution from industrial sources. Regulations and enforcement are necessary to prevent illegal dumping and ensure industrial compliance with environmental standards. Sustainable industrial practices can minimize the impact of manufacturing on river ecosystems. Scientists are conducting water quality monitoring on samples from the Ganges River. Water samples undergo various tests to determine levels of pollutants and contaminants. Data analysis reveals the presence and concentration of various chemical and biological agents. Monitoring water quality helps assess the impact of human activities on the river's ecosystem. Effective water quality monitoring is crucial for implementing strategies to protect and restore the Ganges River. The results of water quality monitoring inform policy decisions aimed at reducing pollution and improving water management. Traditional irrigation methods involve manual water distribution across agricultural fields. Modern irrigation systems utilize technology for efficient water delivery to crops. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots of plants, minimizing water waste. Sustainable water use practices aim to conserve water resources in agriculture. Effective irrigation management balances water needs with environmental considerations. Farmers adapt irrigation strategies based on climate conditions and crop requirements. Community meetings are essential for discussing and implementing effective waste management strategies. Proper sanitation practices are crucial in reducing river pollution and improving public health. Waste management includes strategies for waste reduction, collection, recycling, and proper disposal. Effective sanitation systems prevent the spread of waterborne diseases and promote a healthier environment. Reducing river pollution requires community involvement and sustainable sanitation solutions. Managing sewage and industrial waste presents significant challenges for protecting the Ganges River. Untreated sewage contributes significantly to the Ganges pollution, impacting water quality and aquatic life. Industrial waste, containing heavy metals and chemicals, further exacerbates the Ganges pollution problems. Effective waste management strategies are crucial for mitigating the environmental impact on the Ganges. Implementing advanced treatment technologies can help remove pollutants and restore the Ganges ecosystem. Protecting the Ganges requires collaborative efforts from city officials, industries, and local communities. Religious leaders advocate for environmental stewardship. Responsible use of the river's resources is promoted. Environmental stewardship involves protecting and preserving natural resources. Sustainable practices ensure long-term availability of resources. Community engagement is essential for effective environmental protection. Environmental education programs aim to teach children about the importance of river conservation. River conservation involves protecting and restoring rivers to maintain their ecological health. Healthy rivers provide essential ecosystem services, including clean water, habitat for wildlife, and flood control. Pollution from human activities poses a significant threat to river ecosystems. Conservation efforts include reducing pollution, restoring riverbanks, and managing water resources sustainably. Education and community involvement are crucial for the long-term success of river conservation initiatives. A new government initiative aims to clean up the Ganges River. The program showcases policy efforts to improve water quality and ecosystem health. Key strategies include waste management, industrial effluent control, and community engagement. Government officials oversee the implementation of environmental regulations and monitoring systems. The initiative seeks to restore the Ganges to its pristine state, benefiting both the environment and local communities. Conservation projects focus on restoring riverbanks to their natural state. Restoring riverbanks helps to prevent erosion and improve water quality. Protecting endangered species is a key component of biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity efforts aim to maintain the variety of life in a given ecosystem. Conservationists employ various techniques to monitor and protect endangered species. Effective conservation requires collaboration between scientists, local communities, and policymakers. Solar power installations provide a clean energy source. Solar energy reduces reliance on polluting energy sources. The village benefits from clean energy provided by solar power. Solar power is a sustainable alternative for community energy needs. Organic farming practices are implemented to reduce chemical runoff. Minimizing chemical runoff protects river ecosystems. Organic farming enhances soil health and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. Natural pest control methods are used in place of chemical pesticides. Reduced chemical use leads to cleaner water and healthier aquatic life. Sustainable agriculture supports long-term environmental health. A modern waste treatment plant processes sewage. The treatment process prevents pollution of the Ganges River. Sewage undergoes multiple stages of purification within the plant. Advanced filtration systems remove solid waste and debris from the sewage. Treated water is released back into the environment, free from harmful pollutants. A public service announcement promotes responsible behavior. The campaign emphasizes the importance of conservation. Responsible actions contribute to the health of the Ganges. Community involvement is crucial for effective river conservation. Sustainable practices ensure the long-term preservation of the Ganges. Protecting the Ganges supports biodiversity and ecosystem health. Community cleanup events involve volunteers removing trash and debris from natural environments. These efforts aim to restore the natural beauty and ecological health of the area. Removing debris prevents pollutants from entering the water system, protecting aquatic life. Cleanup activities contribute to improved water quality and a healthier environment for both humans and wildlife. Volunteer participation is essential for maintaining clean and sustainable community spaces. Community cleanup events foster environmental stewardship and promote responsible waste management. The river flows through a protected area, showcasing the results of successful conservation efforts. Conservation efforts maintain the river's biodiversity and ecological health. The protected area provides a habitat for diverse aquatic and terrestrial species. Sustainable practices ensure the long-term health and resilience of the river ecosystem. Monitoring stations track water quality and environmental conditions within the protected area. Community involvement is crucial for the continued success of river conservation. Rivers flowing towards the ocean symbolize the continuous cycle of life. The river's journey represents the ongoing processes of renewal and transformation in nature. Protecting rivers is essential for maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity. River protection ensures the sustainability of water resources for future generations. Conservation efforts are vital for preserving the river's role in the broader environmental system. River pollution negatively impacts fish populations by degrading their habitat and introducing toxins. Reduced fish populations directly threaten the livelihoods of local fishermen who depend on them for income. Pollution sources include industrial discharge, agricultural runoff, and untreated sewage, each contributing different contaminants. Long-term pollution can lead to irreversible damage to the river ecosystem, affecting all species and water quality. The Ganges River holds profound spiritual significance in Hinduism. The Ganges is revered as a goddess and is central to many religious rituals and ceremonies. Protecting the Ganges is seen as a sacred duty to maintain its purity and sanctity. The river's health is intrinsically linked to the spiritual well-being of the community. The Ganges River is an ecologically vital system, supporting diverse, aquatic, and terrestrial life. The river faces significant ecological threats, including pollution from industrial and agricultural runoff. Human activities, such as overfishing and habitat destruction, further endanger the Ganges' ecological balance. Conservation efforts are crucial to restore and maintain the Ganges' ecological integrity for future generations. Government policies aim to improve water quality in the Ganges through comprehensive cleanup initiatives. These initiatives focus on reducing industrial discharge and improving wastewater treatment facilities along the river. Community engagement programs promote responsible waste disposal and sanitation practices among local populations. Ecological restoration projects aim to revitalize the river's biodiversity and restore natural habitats. Monitoring systems track water quality parameters and assess the effectiveness of implemented cleanup measures. Sustainable agricultural practices are encouraged to minimize fertilizer runoff and reduce pollution from farming activities. Conservation efforts focus on protecting endangered species within river ecosystems. River ecosystem restoration involves re-establishing natural habitats and improving water quality. Protecting endangered species requires habitat preservation and combating threats like pollution and overfishing. Successful river ecosystem restoration supports biodiversity and enhances ecological resilience. Sustainable development along the Ganges River involves balancing economic progress with environmental preservation. Community engagement is crucial for identifying both the challenges and opportunities in sustainable development initiatives. Challenges include pollution from industrial discharge and agricultural runoff, impacting water quality and biodiversity. Opportunities arise from ecotourism, sustainable agriculture, and renewable energy projects that support local livelihoods. Effective policies and regulations are needed to ensure long-term sustainability and equitable distribution of benefits. Diverse individuals express their deep affection for the Ganges River. A shared commitment to protecting the Ganges unites people from all walks of life. The Ganges River holds cultural and spiritual significance for many. Protecting the Ganges ensures its continued vitality and cultural importance for future generations. Supporting conservation efforts is crucial for the long-term health of the Ganges River. Protecting the Ganges ensures its availability and benefits for future generations. Conservation involves reducing pollution and promoting sustainable water management practices. Community involvement and education are vital components of effective conservation strategies. Sustainable development balances economic needs with environmental preservation. Investing in conservation yields long-term ecological and economic returns. The Ganges River flows towards the ocean, symbolizing the continuous cycle of life and renewal. The river's journey to the sea represents hope and the promise of new beginnings. The confluence of the river and ocean signifies the merging of individual journeys into a collective destiny. The vastness of the ocean symbolizes the infinite possibilities and potential for transformation. The end credits provide information on organizations dedicated to protecting the Ganges River. Viewers can learn about various ways to get involved in conservation efforts. Contact information and website links for relevant organizations are displayed clearly. The credits emphasize the collective effort needed to ensure the Ganges' long-term health.